Desktop 1. Magnifier. Zoom out file.
Hi students, this is Code Beyond Site YouTube channel. We will learn about how to manage the how to use the file operations in Python programming. This is one of very important concept because in software field the software give many errors and we will store the user details. Then the file operation is very useful for that, so you learn this. Okay, first of all, in what kind of operations this have, basically, right, we can write, read, append. There are three type of operations. Okay, first uh, first we will see the uh, write operation. Okay, first of all, we create the one variable
File.
file.
Fill. File.
File.
File equals. O. P. E.
Okay,
N.
open
Open left parent. Quote.
equal
E.
file name.
X.
File name, you give the file
A.
name.
M. P. L. E.
Example,
Example dot T. X. T. Right parent.
give
Comma.
comma
Quote.
double quotes
W.
W. Okay,
Blank.
go to next, right? Okay,
F.
file.
I. L. E.
File,
File dot.
call this variable file. File,
W. R. I. T. E.
right?
Right left parent. Quote. E.
Give the
E.
content.
E. E. H. O. O. W. L. L. O. W.
Hello.
Low space.
Hello.
Space. W. Space.
Okay,
Backslash.
backslash.
N.
This is me.
N.
Go
N.
to next line.
Blank. F.
And
I. L. E. File dot. W. R. I. T. E.
right.
Right left. Quote. I. I. Hit M. Right parent. Space.
Agatya.
Space. M. Tick. M.
And
M. Quote. Quote. Space. A. 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 G. A. T. H. I. A. A. Y. A. N. Blank.
okay.
F. I. L. E. File dot. C. L. O. S. E. Close right parent.
Okay, run this.
Terminal 1. Blank. Use the accessible buffer Alt F2 to manually review output. Blank. Blank. Python file. PSC.
Okay, I run this.
Files explore function PyE. Error handling PyE. Example txt not selected 8 of 23 level 1.
Example.txt.
Main landmark. Example txt.
You can see
Low.
the example.txt is created. Then the file has two lines.
Low. Low.
Hello,
Imagathian.
I am Agatya. Okay, so we will use the write the contents.
File PyEditor as auto
I
File
command
opened.
this all.
Close selected. Unselect file.
Okay,
File closed.
if you want to uh, uh, read the contents, so
F.
can use
I. L. E.
file.
File
Name
equals.
the file.
O.
Open
P. E. N. Open
file.
left. Quote.
File
E.
name
X.
example
A. M. P. L. E. Example. T. X. T.
txt.
Right parent. Comma.
Give comma
Quote.
code. Mention
R.
or means
Blank.
W means right. Okay.
F.
Then
F.
create
C.
another
C.
variable.
C. C.
Um,
C. O. N. T. E. N. T. Content. Blank.
content.
Equals.
Okay. Variable
F.
file
I. L. E. File dot. R. E. A. D. Read. Right parent.
read.
P. R. I. N. E.
Give the
Print left
content.
parent. C. O. N. T. E. N. T. Content. Blank.
Content.
P. R. I. N. T. Print left parent.
Print. Sorry.
Blank. Print. F. I.
File.
L. E. File dot. C. L. O. S. E. Close right parent.
Okay. Okay. Run this.
Terminal 1. PowerShell. C. L. E. A. R. Clear. Use. Blank. Clear Python file. Py. Low. Imagathian. PSC. Users. Agat. OneDrive document.
You can see.
File submenu. New text file. CTRF. File submenu. Alt F1 of 8. Terminal 1. File terminal 1. PowerShell. Use Alt F1. Accessibility help. Customize the behavior of the cursor. Terminal 1. Power. Accessibility help. Explore actions such as disable. Terminal. Accessibility help. The open click reconfigure what gets focused. Terminal 1. Accessibility help. Terminal 1.
Does not work
Accessibility help. Explore actions. Terminal 1. Accessibility help. Accessible view. Explore actions. PSC. Users Agath 1. Imagathian.
I'm Agathian.
Whoa.
Hello.
Imagathian.
I am Agathian. Hello. Okay. This time is read the content from the example.txt after show the terminal. Okay. If you want
Main landmark. File
add
by
the contents in example.
selected. C selected. O selected. L selected.
I command this.
File open. Example txt. R. Content file red print. Content file. File open. Example txt. File closed.
Again.
F. I. L. E.
Create variable.
File equals.
Okay.
O.
Open.
P. E. N. Open. Left pair. Open. O. P. E. N. Open. Left quote. E. X. A. M. P. L. E. Example dot. T. X. T. Right parent.
Comma.
Comma. Quote. A.
Mention
Blank.
A. A means append. Append means add. Okay.
F. I. L. E. File dot. W. R. I. T. E. Right. Blank.
Right.
Left parent. Quote.
Content.
N. E. W. New space.
New
C. O. N. E. E. T. E. N. T.
content.
Tent space. A. D. E. A. A. D. D.
Add.
Add. Add.
New content.
Blank.
Add. Again.
F. I.
Close
L. E.
file.
File. C. L. O. S. E. Close left parent.
Okay. Run.
Terminal 1. PowerShell. Blank. Type. PSC. Users Agath 1. Files Explorer preview. File Pi 9 of 23 level 1.
See the file.
E. Error handling Pi E. E. Example txt nuts.
Example
Main landmark.
txt.
Example txt editor as autocomplete multi. Imagathianu. Imagathianu content add.
New content is add. Okay.
Add. Content Agathianu.
Because the new content add line is same uh, same like same line, because we cannot use the /n or previous line, so that's why using that's why add same line, second line. Okay.
File Pi editor.
So then we use next line. If you want
E, N.
next line,
Backslash.
mention
N.
in starting after
N.
again
Terminal.
run
Blank.
code.
Python file Pi PSC. Main landmark. File Pi. Files Explorer. E. Error handling E. 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 Example txt. Main
Example
landmark.
txt. Then you
New
can
content
see
add. New Imagath. New content add.
new content add. This is next line. Go to next line. Okay. This is
File Pi editor.
this is very basic operations. I teach to you. So okay. So if you
File
have
close
any
the
doubts, ask
File open.
in the
Exam.
comment section, or
Selection remove.
I will definitely help you. So I see next video.
Desktop 2. Magnifier. The magnifier. Start streams. Stop recording. Studio. Stop recording.